Hello student. Today we are studied the fourth topic in chemistry, chemical thermodynamics. Chemical thermodynamics. In this topic we are studying the subtopic enthalpy. Subtopic enthalpy. Enthalpy of a system is a sum of internal energy of system and the energy equivalent to pressure volume work. Therefore the enthalpy H is equal to U plus P into V. आता एन्थाल्पीची डेफिनेशन सांगताना यामध्ये एन्थाल्पीचा सिम्बॉल जो आहे तो एच आहे, कॅपिटल एच, आणि त्याची डेफिनेशन द सम ऑफ इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टीम अँड द एनर्जी अरायजेस ड्यू टू इट्स प्रेशर अँड व्हॉल्यूम is called as enthalpy of the system. Okay, then enthalpy of the system is denoted by capital H. Mathematical expression for enthalpy is given by H is equal to U plus P into V. आता त्यानंतर H म्हणजे काय? एन्थाल्पी ऑफ सिस्टीम, यू म्हणजे इंटरनल एनर्जी आणि पी इंटू व्ही प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम एनर्जी और प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम वर्क. ओके, आता यामध्ये चेंज इन एन्थाल्पी म्हणजे डेल्टा एच इज ऑल्सो स्टेट फंक्शन गिवन बाय डेल्टा एच इज इक्वल टू final enthalpy of system minus initial enthalpy of system, that is H2 minus H1, where H1 and H2 are enthalpies of initial and final state respectively. Okay, from above equation H1 is equal to U1 plus P1 into V1 and H2 is equal to U2 plus P2 into V2, that is final enthalpy and initial enthalpy. With this delta H, change in enthalpy, delta H is equal to U2 plus P2 V2 minus U1 plus P1 V1 is equal to U2 minus U1 plus P2 V2 minus P1 V1 is equal to U2 minus U1 म्हणजेच डेल्टा U आणि P2 V2 minus P1 V1 याच्यातून डेल्टा P into V or PV. For constant pressure P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P for constant pressure. Therefore delta H is equal to delta U plus P into delta V. जर आपण प्रेशर कॉन्स्टंट जर ठेवलं तर P1 इज इक्वल टू P2 इज इक्वल टू P येते, म्हणून डेल्टा H इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा U प्लस P into delta V. If the pressure inside and outside is the same or external pressure is equal to P, then जर त्या सिस्टीमच्या आउटसाईड आणि इनसाईडमध्ये जर प्रेशर सेम असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू P प्रेशर, म्हणून QP इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा U प्लस P इंटू डेल्टा V. From above equation delta H is equal to QP. Thus change in enthalpy of a system is equal to heat transferred from it at the constant pressure. Enthalpy and QP are a state function. Enthalpy and H and QP are state function. This is nothing but the enthalpy of the system. Enthalpy of the system. याच्यावर तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारत पहा, what is enthalpy of system? Give mathematical expression for enthalpy. Mathematical expression for enthalpy. Okay. Then relation between delta H, change in enthalpy, and delta U for chemical reaction. At constant pressure, delta H and delta U are related as delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. For reaction involving solid and liquid, delta U usually is a very small and delta H is equal to delta U. For the reaction involving gases, delta U cannot be neglected and therefore delta H is equal to delta U plus P into delta V is equal to delta H plus P V2 minus V1. Delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V minus V2 minus PV1. Okay, where V1 is volume of gas phase reactant and V2 is that of the gaseous product. We assume reactant and product behave ideally. Applying ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, when N1 number of moles of gaseous reactant produce N2 number of moles of gaseous product. The ideal gas equation PV1 is equal to N1 RT and PV2 is equal to N2 RT. Okay. Substitution of the above equation in 4.25 yields delta H is equal to delta U plus N2 RT minus N1 RT. Delta U plus N2 minus N1 RT is equal to delta U plus delta N RT in gas state, delta N RT, where delta N is a difference between the number of moles of product and those of reactant. Okay. Then work done in chemical reaction. The work done by a system at constant temperature and pressure is given by W is equal to P external into delta V. Assume P external is equal to P. W is equal to minus P delta V is equal to minus P V2 minus V1 is equal to minus P V2 plus P V1. In gases where using ideal gas equation using PV1 is equal to N1 RT and PV2 is equal to nRT. आता यामध्ये आयडियल गॅस इक्वेशन हे अशा प्रकारचं आहे की PV इज इक्वल टू nRT हे आयडियल गॅस इक्वेशन आहे. त्या आयडियल गॅस इक्वेशनवरून आपण PV1 इज इक्वल टू N1 RT आणि PV2 इज इक्वल टू N2 RT. At constant temperature and pressure, W is equal to minus N2 RT plus N1 RT is equal to minus N2 minus N1 RT is equal to minus delta n RT. The above equation gives the work done by the system in chemical reaction. The sign of work done W depend on delta V change in volume. We consider the following cases. वर्क डनचे साईन जे आहे ते चेंज इन व्हॉल्यूमवरती डिपेंड आहे. जर समजा N2 इज ग्रेटर दॅन N1, डेल्टा एन हा पॉझिटिव्ह येतो आणि डेल्टा एन पॉझिटिव्ह जर आला तर वर्क डन इज लेस दॅन 0, वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टीम. आणि जर N1 इज ग्रेटर दॅन N2, डेल्टा एन इज निगेटिव्ह आणि W इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 or work is done on the system. Okay, if N1 is equal to N2 is equal to delta n is equal to 0, at that time work done is also 0, or no PV work is done when number of moles of reactant and products are equal. जर रिॲक्टंट आणि प्रोडक्टचे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हे जर सारखे असतील तर त्या सिस्टीममध्ये कसल्याही प्रकारचे वर्क डन होत नाही, म्हणून W इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके.